Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again. I got Sparkle Smash, guys. This is the one with the new logo. There's guys, Legacy Trucks, Sparkle Smash, Monster Jam. In the back, all I need is Blue Thunder, Jambulance, and Scooby-Doo, and I'm done with the set. I said I'm not gonna bother with Earthshaker or Gravedigger. I'm not even gonna bother this time. I'm not. Yeah, Earth Truck for Action, Monster Jam. Truck. Let's go and open it. Okay, here it is, guys. Put the flashlight in it. There it is. Sparkle Smash, guys. Tour Accurate. Dark rims and bead locks. Black roll cage. Gray chassis. Sparkle Smash logo. Monster Jam logo. And then the face. The horn and her snout. Her teeth. I love that glitter. I love how they did glitter on the body. Look at that. It's really nice. There's the tail and the mane. The rubber ears. There it is, guys. That's all I got today. Like, subscribe, comment, share more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.